Want to know how to remove TikTok watermark from saved video on Capcut? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to remove TikTok watermark from saved video on Capcut. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open TikTok app on your screen. Now open the video you want to save. Here tap on the share icon. Tap on the Save Video option. After saving the video on your device, open the Capcut app on your screen. Likewise, go to the last part of the video where the official video ends and the TikTok outro begins. Tap on the clip and then tap on the split button. Furthermore, select the outro part of the TikTok and tap on the delete button. Similarly, you can also see the Capcut outro. If you don't want this either, tap on the clip, then click on the delete option. Now tap on the export button at the top right corner of your screen in order to save the video. So this is how you can remove TikTok watermark from saved video on Capcut. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.